Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to turn off your select a file to preview pane, or really any other pane that you'd like to disable, or maybe re-enable. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that in your File Explorer. So to turn off the select a file to preview, open up File Explorer, and then go up to View. And then on the pane section, you see there's navigation pane, preview pane, and details pane. My preview pane is highlighted, so I'm going to go ahead and select it to unhighlight it. And then now the select a file to preview pane is no longer appearing, so I've turned it off. There are other panes you can enable and disable, so the details pane, which shows some folders. And then you can also turn off the pane on the left side, the navigation pane. So go ahead and, if you want to turn that off, go ahead and select the navigation pane, and then just remove the checkbox next to navigation pane by selecting it. And now you'll have turned off that pane as well. So you can turn on and off certain panes that you want. But that was a quick video showing you the panes and how to turn the preview pane and navigation pane on and off in your File Explorer. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next quick video.